Since the beginning of time, light has been our guardian against the darkness, be it a candlelight, campfire, or even modern technology. It's always been what protected us from things that go bump in the dark. But what happens now when the very thing you fear is in our power lines? What happens when your power lines make your lights unreliable? This is what happened to a welding bracing company in Europe. They were having flicker values of 6.8 PST, way above the limit. Our partner and agent, Highteps, went in with an Elspec G4500 continuous waveform recording meter. They hooked it up and did measurements in the main system, came back with a solution with a 1500 kVA equalizer. This equalizer is able to transition capacitance under the system and under a network cycle. Once this was installed, there was a dramatic decrease in current and kVAR, and the village began seeing clean lighting again. So no matter where the value of the problem is, be it a candle flickering when a supernatural entity enters the room, or if you have flicker due to a local company, the light is always our guardian and indicator. Have a happy Halloween from Elspec.